Namaskar. Nowadays, many people suffer from digestive problems. You see, over the years, you have made a habit loading your system with food which is heavy in oil and spices. Over time, such habits really harm your digestive system. But you can heal it with a powerful ingredient that is natural, time tasted, and full of amazing benefits for your entire body. I'm talking about the ordinary turmeric or haldi, which can give you an extraordinary health benefit. So let's see why turmeric is your digestive system's best friend and how you can include it in every meal. The first thing is that turmeric detoxifies your liver. It stimulates the production of bile, which flushes out toxins and breaks down fat. Second, curcumin, the bioactive compound in turmeric, has potent anti-inflammatory property that soothes your gut. Chronic inflammation in the digestive system can lead to bloating, IBS, and indigestion. Curcumin's potent anti-inflammatory property calms inflammation, soothing the gut lining and reducing discomfort. Third, it stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, which help break down food more efficiently. It also promotes the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, contributing to a healthy microbiome. A balanced gut microbiome is essential for better digestion, immunity, and even better mood. Then turmeric helps your body fight pathogens. Turmeric's natural antibacterial and antifungal properties helps combat the harmful microbes in your digestive system. This ensures that your gut flora remains healthy and balanced, reducing the risk of infection. It also supports this gut-brain connection. Your gut and brain are deeply connected through what's known as the gut-brain axis. Even studies suggest that curcumin will reduce stress and anxiety by supporting healthy gut. This in turn improves mental clarity and mood. And finally, it is rich in antioxidant, which protects your body from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when harmful free radicals build up in your body and damage your cell. By neutralizing these free radicals, turmeric keeps your gut lining stronger and healthier. Now let's see what are some interesting ways to add turmeric to every meal. In the morning, you can start your day with a cup of turmeric milk. Here, simply mix half a teaspoon of turmeric in a warm milk, a pinch of black pepper and honey for sweetness. For lunch, you can add a pinch of turmeric to your lentils, curry and rice. Its earthy flavor blends perfectly with varieties of dishes. Or you can make a raw turmeric and pineapple salsa. The ingredients you need are 1-inch piece of raw turmeric grated, diced pineapple 250 grams, chopped dhania or cilantro, lime juice, salt and pepper according to taste. To make this salsa, combine all the ingredients into a bowl, mix well and serve. For your evening snack, you may roast fox nuts with turmeric and with salt and pepper. For a guilt-free healthy snack, for dinner time you can use turmeric in soup, stir fry or even in the marinades. For grilling fresh vegetables like bell pepper, mushrooms and baby corn. Another unique way to use raw turmeric in dinner is with a raw turmeric and mint detox salad. To make this, you will need grated raw turmeric 1-inch piece, fresh mint leaves, 1 cucumber julienne, shredded carrot 1, lemon juice and pinch of salt. Mix the ingredients together. Let them sit together for 10 minutes to help the flavor blend together and then enjoy. Other than this, if you are looking for a light recipe, then you can make a powerful turmeric and ginger detox water. For this, what you will need is 1-inch piece of raw ginger, 1 amla, 1-inch piece of raw turmeric, 4 glasses of water, honey optional. First, blend raw ginger, amla, and turmeric with 4 glasses of water. Then strain it into a clear liquid. Add honey if you want some sweetness. Fill this detox water in a glass jug or your sipper. Keep drinking this detox water throughout the day to detoxify your digestive system using the all-natural power of turmeric. So, mindfully make turmeric a part of your daily meal to detox your digestive system and nurture your body from within. Namaskar.